Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that has caught our attention for its versatility and convenience, the OVENTE 3-in-1 electric sandwich maker, model GPI302B. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The OVENTE GPI302B is a compact and efficient electric sandwich maker that offers a lot more than just making sandwiches. It's a 3-in-1 appliance that functions as a sandwich press, a grill, and a waffle maker. With a powerful 750 watts of heating capability, this device is designed to whip up delicious meals in minutes, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost, the high-performance heating element means that you won't be waiting long for your food to cook. Whether you're in the mood for a classic grilled cheese sandwich or a fluffy waffle, this machine gets the job done quickly and efficiently. One of the best aspects of the OVENTE GPI302B is its multifunctional purpose. It comes with 3 interchangeable nonstick plates, one for sandwiches, one for waffles, and one for grilling. This allows you to create a wide variety of meals throughout the day, from breakfast to dinner and even snacks. You can prepare everything from crispy bacon and eggs in the morning to burgers and grilled steaks in the evening. The versatility is fantastic, especially for those who love to experiment in the kitchen. Speaking of nonstick, the easy-to-clean feature is a game-changer. The nonstick cooking surface ensures that your food slides out smoothly every time, reducing the mess often associated with cooking. Plus, the plates are detachable and dishwasher-safe, so cleanup is a breeze. If you prefer, you can simply wipe them down with a damp cloth once they've cooled, making it even more convenient for daily use. Now, let's consider who would benefit most from the OVENTE GPI302B. This product is ideal for college students, small apartment dwellers, or anyone with limited kitchen space. Its compact design makes it easy to store in a cabinet or on a shelf when not in use. You can even bring it along on camping trips or picnics, which adds to its portability. In terms of practical use cases, imagine waking up on a busy morning and quickly whipping up a delicious breakfast sandwich to take on the go. Or, how about hosting a casual brunch with friends and serving freshly made waffles alongside coffee? The possibilities are endless, and the OVENTE 3-in-1 sandwich maker makes it all achievable without taking up too much room in your kitchen. Using the device is straightforward, thanks to features like LED indicator lights that signal when the power is on and when the plates are ready for cooking. The cool touch handle ensures that you can operate it safely without worrying about burns, and the anti-skid feet provide added stability during use. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that OVENTE offers a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. If you encounter any issues, their US-based customer service is there to help, allowing you to buy with confidence. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, compact, and efficient kitchen appliance that can help you prepare a variety of meals quickly and easily, the OVENTE 3-in-1 electric sandwich maker is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.